Hello everyone, welcome back to Mindful Insights, where we explore the power of mindfulness and provide insightful tips for life issues. Today, we are delving into the world of meal planning, unlocking its secrets and benefits for a smoother culinary journey. Let's dive in. Meal planning isn't just about deciding what to eat. It is a strategic approach to organizing meals ahead of time, saving you time, money, and stress. Here are 5 benefits of meal planning. Number 1, save time. Planning meals in advance allows you to streamline your grocery shopping and cooking process, leaving more time for other activities. Number 2, saves money. A well thought out meal plan makes you less likely to make impulse purchases or dine out frequently, leading to significant savings. Number 3, promotes healthier eating. Planning allows you to make healthier food choices, ensuring balanced meals with all the necessary nutrients. Number 4, reduces stress. Say goodbye to the last minute scramble to figure out what's for dinner. With a plan in place, you will feel more organized and less stressed. Number 5, minimizes food waste. Buying only what you need and using ingredients efficiently will reduce food waste, benefiting your wallet and the environment. Now that we know the benefits, let's explore 5 ways to incorporate meal planning into our busy daily schedules. Number 1, utilize meal planning apps or templates. Plenty of apps and templates are available online to help you organize your meals efficiently. Find one that works for you and stick to it. Number 2, batch cooking. Spend a few hours on the weekend cooking large batches of staple ingredients like grains, proteins, and veggies. Then mix and match throughout the week for quick and easy meals. Number 3, prep ingredients in advance. Chop vegetables, marinate meats, and prepare sauces ahead of time. This cuts down on cooking time during busy weekdays. Number 4, stock up on staples. Keep your pantry stocked with essential ingredients like rice, pasta, canned beans, and spices. This ensures you always have the basics to whip up a meal. Number 5, plan your grocery trips. Before heading to the store, list the ingredients you need based on your meal plan. Stick to the list to avoid unnecessary purchases. With these strategies, meal planning becomes a task and a lifestyle that simplifies and enhances your culinary experience. Thank you for joining us today on Mindful Insights. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Until next time, take care.